exporting your video. Now that we're done editing our video, we need to go through the export process so we can actually upload this to YouTube or wherever we want to put it. So I'll go ahead and click export here, and we can also go file, export like so, but I like to click right here. And once we get into this page, it looks pretty complicated. So we can export it as a media file, and we can also export it directly to something like YouTube, TikTok, wherever we want if we select one of these options. Up here in the top is where you can name your file. So I'll just call this trial, and then the location of where I want to actually export this file to. So I'll go ahead and select a folder where I want to export this video to. So I'll just go ahead and save trial right in there, and then preset. This is fine, and just leave it as adaptive high bitrate. And down here at the bottom for our format, we want to set this to H.264. That's going to be the best one, so just go ahead and select that. Now down here under video, what we want to do is select that drop down, click more, and then we want to click render at maximum depth, and we want to use maximum render quality. And something important that we need to make sure we do is scroll all the way down here to where it says bitrate settings. Do not leave it as variable bitrate. It's notorious for having problems and not actually exporting your audio correctly if you leave it on this setting. So go ahead and select constant bitrate to make sure your audio exports accurately. And that's all we need to do for now to do a basic export. Then we can just click export. And this usually takes a little while, and it's going to depend on how long your video is. Mine's super short, so it's going to go really fast. But if you got a bunch of fancy stuff going on and over an hour long video or something, it's going to take a little while. Now in my file explorer, I can navigate to where I exported this video. You guys can see the title here, and I can play it back now. Here's a sample file for the Premiere Pro tutorial. And then from here, you can use this file and upload it to TikTok, YouTube, or wherever you want.
Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.